Now what I'm doing is going to show you and talk to you about this Jeep that I had mentioned earlier. This is the one that we're putting in new floorboards. It had already been welded going all the way across. It's a pretty cool Jeep. And then this big hole here, we have new panels for this as well. So this is the Jeep itself. And when we're done with this, we have to obviously put it back all together again. And we're going to do the brakes on it as well. So I'm going to lift it up and we'll take some video of it underneath. I'll show you some of the areas. You can see here along the sides where it was welded underneath. All right, so that's high enough. So down under here, this panel here was fabricated to put on underneath, but then the rest of this we bought from a company that pre-makes these. And then here is where you can see there's quite a bit of Bondo on this old area here, but we'll do the repairs on that as well and then finish it up and put it all together. Here there's the rear panel. It had a lot of undercoating on it, so that's really good. And it's so we only had to change out this part here. It's nice having these hoists, so we were able to do all this work standing up and not having to lay down. And but well, there it is. So Andy, you can see there in the background, this guy who was doing all this work on this, and just wanted to show you what I was talking about earlier.